Hey. Now today we are gonna have some CNC chicken and Croffles, croissant waffles. Now let's get into it. We're gonna start off with your clean chicken tenders. We're gonna season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, a little bit of Lorry seasoned salt, a little bit of lemon pepper, sazon, mix well. Let it marinate for about an hour. Now you want to work from your dry batter. About a cup of flour. Use the same seasonings. Okay, for my wet batter, I'm going to use 2 eggs, cornstarch, a cup of club soda, okay, now let's start battering these babies. We're gonna go in the dry season, then into the wet batter, then back into the dry batter, and it should look like that. Fry for about 4 minutes. Let's try it out. This Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please share it out. Please leave a comment below. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Until next time.